Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add a featured image to a Webflow blog post. So in order to do this, just go to the back end of your Webflow site, go to the editor, and once you are the editor and it's fully loaded, go over to blog post, select the blog post you would like to add the featured image to, and scroll to the bottom, and you find the image, main image here or thumbnail image. So depending on what your developer adds here, it could be named featured image, it could be named main image. It totally depends on your developer. So in a case where you do not find where to add your featured image from here, you have to contact your developer to add in a featured image feature, because if they added the field here, it's definitely going to show on this editor. So if they added it on the designer, it's definitely going to be on this backend. So if you can't find this at the bottom or at the top of your post editor, just make sure you reach out to your Webflow developer and tell him to add this in. Okay, so the way you would add the image is just drag and drop the image from your computer, or just click on this and you'll be able to upload an image directly from your PC. Okay, so once this is in, then click on save. And once you do that, you just make sure you also click this so the changes are also published. Okay, so I already went ahead to publish. So once you do that, the image should be live on your Webflow site. Okay, so if you have any other questions related to the post editor, don't hesitate to ask via the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.